B2B business owners, if you want 500 direct messages sent to your dream clients every month on LinkedIn, 100% done for you, then watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how we helped our clients source over 312 million in pipeline with over 1,000 verified 5-star reviews to prove our results. Look, LinkedIn is the #1 tool for reaching high-level decision makers across any niche. Step 1 is to build a hyper-qualified dream client list using LinkedIn Sales Navigator and advanced search tactics to break that list into individual segments so that step 2, we can write hyper-personalized copy to each of those segments and break through the noise and get 25 to 35% connection acceptance rates and reply rates. Step 3 is to automate everything. So Cleverly gives you its own LinkedIn automation tool where we upload that dream client list, upload that copy, and automate everything to the tune of 20 to 25 connection requests a day. And then when people accept those requests, we automate 3 follow-up messages, and responses go directly back into your custom dashboard so you can reply directly out of there and see campaign metrics in real time. Okay, success on LinkedIn is the trifecta of targeting, messaging, and automation, all hyper-personalized. If you're wondering if this will work for you, Cleverly's done this for over 5,000 clients in countless industries, generating over 302 million in pipeline with more 5-star reviews than any B2B agency in the entire world. So if you want us to send 500 direct messages to your dream clients every month on LinkedIn, 100% done for you by a dedicated LinkedIn expert who will build your dream client list, write you hyper-personalized copy, and automate everything, starting at just $397 a month, fully custom and done for you, then click the Learn More button and book a free consultation with my team where we'll walk you through it A to Z.